Please note that this is my first video and that my editing isn't extraordinary.
I got caught up with like my exams and basically I want to shoot like a 24-hour vlog. Right now it's like 11ish p.m. So then it'll be 11 today to 11 tomorrow. Update. It's currently 1:30 a.m. Hopefully I make a dent in it because it's just the paper is so big.
That's what she said.
I need to finish this, so I'm just gonna keep doing this. Wish me luck. Why do I do this to myself? Remind me not to do this again. Literally, next time I procrastinate, remind me to not do it again. But I always do it. Good night. Sweet dreams. I feel like burnt popcorn tastes like air. I might be imagining it. I want to like direct the show and create like character boards and concepts. So it's 11 p.m. right now. I think I started vlogging my 24-hour vlog with me yesterday at 11. So I think essentially like that's it for today. Here, have a... Appreciate you and I love you guys. Bye.